Hello viewers, welcome to YouTube channel Big Band the Language School. आज का हमारा सेशन है जापानीज लैंग्वेज लेसन 2 के लिए और आज हम लेसन 2 में कुछ बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग चीजें सीखने वाले हैं और हमारे एक्सपर्ट ट्रेनर हमारे पास अवेलेबल है मिसेस प्रिया प्रवीण. हेलो प्रिया.
Hi Ruchika.
तो आज हम क्या
So today,
सीखने वाले हैं? हाँ जी बताइए.
today we will start our lesson 2 in Japanese language.
ओके.
Okay. So in the previous lesson, we have learned about the pronunciation of hiragana, then the numbers up from 1 to 10, and some greeting words. So in lesson 2, we are going to learn numbers from 1 to 99. We have a review of 1 to 10 numbers and then 11 to 99. Then some more greeting words and then the certification. How we will get the certification in Japanese language. Okay, Ruchika, so let's start.
Okay. So today we are going to start with numbers. Right.
Yeah,
Okay, ma'am. Tell me.
okay. So first we review the numbers we have learned in lesson 1. So as you see on the screen, we have numbers from 1 to 10. 1 is known as ichi, second is ni, 3 is san, 4 is yon, 5 is go, 6 is roku, 7 nana, 8 is hachi, 9 is q, and 10 is ju.
Jew. Okay.
Okay, is it
Okay.
okay?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. So after 10, we have 11. So today in this lesson, we will learn from 11 to 99. So how we will write 11? So 11 will be written as 10 plus 1. Okay. So for 10, we call 10 in Japanese is ju and 1 in
Jew.
Japanese is ichi. So 11 will be ju ichi. Okay, Ruchika?
Okay. 10 is in Jew और 1 को कहेंगे इची. तो ये
Okay.
हो गया Jew इची.
Yes. Yes. So by this formula, we will do other numbers like 12 को हम बोलेंगे 10 plus 2. So 2 in Japanese is ni and 10 is ju. So ये बनेगा ju
Jew.
ni.
Jew ni. Okay.
Yes. Then
Twe-
13 will be, yeah, yes,
Okay. 13 will be
10 plus 3.
right.
Okay, so it will be ju san.
Jew san. Right.
14 will be ju yon. 4 in Japanese is yon, so it will be called ju yon.
Jew yon.
15 is 10 plus 5, so it will be ju go.
Jew go. 15 is Jew go.
Yes. 16, so 6 in Japanese is roku, so 10 plus 6, it will be ju roku.
Jew roku. Okay.
Yes. Then 17, 7 in Japanese is nana, so 10 plus 7, it will be ju nana.
Jew nana. Okay.
Now 18, 18 is 10 plus 8, 8 in Japanese is hachi, so 10 plus 8 will be ju
Jew
hachi.
hachi. Okay. Okay.
Yes. Then 19, 10 plus 9, 9 in Japanese is q, so it will be ju q.
Jew Q.
So we will have a review of all the letters we have.
Mhm.
Yeah, we have studied till now 11 to 19. It is
Mhm.
ju ichi, ju ni, ju
Mhm.
san, ju yon, ju go,
Oh,
ju roku, ju nana,
nana.
ju hachi, and ju q.
Q. Okay.
Okay. So the
Okay.
now next number is how we will write 20. Okay.
Okay.
So For 20, we have a new formula, that is 2 multiplied by 10. So 2 multiplied by 10 is equal to 20.
20. Okay.
So the reading of 2 comes forward, and then the reading of 10 will come. So the Japanese reading of 2 is ni, and Japanese reading of 10 is ju. So 20 will be ni
Ni
ju.
ju. Right.
Okay.
Okay.
So then we have 21. So 21 will be 2 multiplied by 10 plus 1. Okay.
Okay.
So
Okay.
the reading of 20. So 20 will be ni ju, and then plus 1 is ichi. So the number 21 will be ni ju ichi.
Ni ju ichi. Okay. Okay.
Ni ju for 20 and ichi for 1. So the whole number will be ni ju ichi. 21.
21. New ju ichi.
Yes. Now, from this formula, like 20 plus 1, 20 plus 2,
2.
20 plus 3,
Plus
we
3.
will make all the others reading till 29. So
Right.
it will be 20 is ni ju. So 20 plus 2 is ni ju ni.
Ni ju ni. Right.
Okay.
Okay.
20 plus 3 will be ni ju san. 23 will be ni ju san.
Ni ju san. Okay.
Yes. So Ruchika, what will be 24?
24 is ni ju yon.
Yes. It will be ni ju
Yon.
yon. 25 is ni
Ni
ju
ju go.
go.
Okay.
26 is ni
Ni
ju
ju
roku.
roku. Okay.
27,
Ni ju nana.
yes. 28 will be ni ju hachi,
Hachi.
and 29 will be ni ju
Ni,
kyu.
ni ju kyu. Okay.
Oh, yes. So this formula will be applied till 99. We just have to write, we just have to learn what the 30, 40, 50 will be the number. Then
Okay.
30 plus 1, 30 plus 2, 30 plus 3. Like this, we will learn all the count numbers till 99. Like 30 will be 3 multiplied by 10. So it will be sanju. So 31 will be sanju
Sanju
ichi.
ichi.
Right? So
Right.
40 will be 40 multiplied by 10. So 40 will be yonju. So
Yonju.
what will be 41, Ruchika?
Yonju ichi.
Yes. So by this formula, we will learn the numbers till 99.
9.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So 60 will be 6 multiplied by 10, rokuju. 70 will be 7 multiplied by 10, nanaju. 80 will be 8 multiplied by 10, hachiju.
Hachiju.
And 90 will be 9 multiplied by 10, it's kyuju.
Kyuju. Okay. Okay.
Okay. So
Okay.
what will be 99?
It's kyuju hachi.
99. 99 will be 9 multiplied by 10 plus 9. So kyuju kyu.
Kyuju kyu. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Yes. So by using this simple formula, we have learned the number 11 to 99.
99.
So is it okay, Ruchika? Do you have any question, or we should move to the other section?
Yes. Yes. We can move. Okay.
Okay. Okay, fine. So now we will move to our another section. It is greetings. So in the previous class, we have learned 4 words of greeting, like good morning is ohayo gozaimasu, good afternoon is konnichiwa, good evening is konbanwa, and good night is oyasumi nasai.
Oyasumi nasai.
Now today we will learn how to say hello, goodbye, thank you,
How are you?
How are you? And I am fine in Japanese.
Okay.
Okay, so
Okay.
let's start. So our new word is hello. So what we have learned in last class, good afternoon, it is konnichiwa. The same word is used for hello also. When we have to say hello to anybody, we will use the same word, that is konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa.
Yes. Okay. So the intonation is so when we say hello to somebody, we have the intonation of hello, like greeting somebody with a smile, right? So it
Okay.
will be, the intonation will be konnichiwa.
Okay. It's
Okay.
konnichiwa. Mhm.
Yes. So now the second one word is sayonara. So it is not pronounced as sayonara, it is pronounced as sayonara.
Okay. It's sayonara.
Okay. Yes. Yes. So sayonara means goodbye. So when we have to give a farewell to somebody, or we have to say a goodbye, we will say sayonara.
Sayonara.
Okay.
It's for goodbye. Right.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. So
Mhm.
then our next word is thank you. So जब हमें thank you बोलना हो किसी को, thank you in Japanese is called
Mhm.
arigato gozaimasu.
Okay. It's arigato gozaimasu.
Yes. So arigato gozaimasu is thank you. So the
Okay.
now next word is how are you? So when we ask how are you to somebody, how are you, the intonation of how are you will go upward. It will be a question, right? So how are you in Japanese is called o genki desu ka. So the intonation will be o genki desu ka.
O genki desu ka?
Yes. So o genki desu ka is known as how are you. When we meet somebody, we will say hello, that is konnichiwa. Then we say how are you. So we will ask o genki desu ka.
O genki desu.
Now
Mhm.
the person will reply, I am fine. So I am fine in Japanese is known as genki desu. So when you ask somebody how are you is o genki desu ka, the person will replies genki desu.
Okay. Genki desu.
Yes, genki desu. So
Genki.
how are you is o genki desu ka, and I am fine is genki desu.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, then we will say thank you, that is arigato gozaimasu, and then after having our conversation we will say goodbye, that is sayonara.
Sayonara. Okay. Okay.
So
Mhm.
now we will move to our next section of today's lesson is certification. How when we start learning a language, so now today we are talking about Japanese language. So when we start learning Japanese language, how we will get certification in this language. Okay,
Okay.
so
Okay.
the test which is uh, which is organized by Japanese government, that is known as JLPT, the Japanese Language Proficiency Test. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
this test provides you certification in Japanese language.
All right.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
there are 5 levels of proficiency. Each level will give you a certificate to to know that how much knowledge, how much proficiency you have in this language.
Okay.
This
Okay.
this JLPT test is for non-native speaker. The native speaker, that is those who are Japanese, does not require to give JLPT. Non-native speakers,
Mhm.
those who are not Japanese,
Mhm.
they require this. They require to give this test and have the
Okay.
certification that
Okay.
how much proficiency level they have in this Japanese language.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this JLPT is conducted by Japan only in all over the world. So wherever there will be JLPT test is organizing, it will be directly organizing by Japan government, by
Mhm.
Japan embassy, or the organization which are having authority through Japan embassy in that country to organize that test.
Right.
Okay.
Right. Right. Okay.
So what are the 5 levels we have? What are these levels called?
Mhm.
So we have levels of JLPT. There are 5 levels. Okay, the basic beginner level is N5. The level starts from N5. It is the beginner level. Then
Okay.
N4. N4 is the basic level. Okay.
Mhm.
Then we will move towards N3. N3 is the intermediate level. Then N1, and
Mhm.
then N2, and then N1.
Right.
Okay. So
Okay.
pre-advanced and advanced.
Right. Right.
Okay. So
Mhm.
these are the JLPT levels
Mhm.
by which you get the certification of Japanese language.
Okay.
Okay, Ruchika.
Okay. Okay, Priya, tell me. See, I have one question, Priya.
Okay. So this is what we.
Yeah, I have one question. See, for the job seekers, maybe it requires till N3 level
Mhm.
for the language preparation.
Actually, we can have job from N4 level also, like BPO sectors. They
Mhm.
required a very basic knowledge of in language. Okay, they have a fixed pattern, fixed conversation with the client, like they promoting any type of product. They have to say fixed thing that this product is this is required for this thing and this
Okay.
thing. So and
Okay.
from N4 level also you can start getting jobs in BPO sectors or in some other sector like sales promotion, where you have to do sales promotion and all.
Mm-hmm.
Then when we move to N3 level, that is intermediate, from N3 level we can get job like translator, interpreter.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Okay.
so the
Okay.
more advanced jobs are required N3 level, and then N2, then N1. N1 level means you have the proficiency equivalent to native person.
Right. 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 Okay. Okay. Thank you so much, Priya. Let's move forward.
Okay. Okay, thanks. So today, this is what we have to learn in lesson 2. So lesson 2 over. Then, arigato gozaimasu. Thank you.
Arigato gozaimasu is thank you. Okay. So can we repeat this session once again? It's a short recap, ma'am.
So what we have learned in this lesson is, first we have learned the numbers from 1 to 99. Okay.
29.
So 1 to 10 have some special reading, that is ichi ni san, yongo roku, nana hachi kyu ju. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Then we have some formula to form numbers, like 11 to 19 we will form with the formula like 10 plus 1 is juichi. 11, 12 will be 10 plus 2, that is juni. Then ju san, ju ro, have another number, that is 20. So if we, for 20, 30, 40, 50, we have the formula is 2 multiplied by 10, 20, that is ni ju. So what will be 21, Ruchika? It will be 20 plus 1, ni ju ichi.
Ni ju ichi.
Right? So
Right.
by this formula, we can make the number still 99. So 99 will be 9 multiplied by 10, that is q ju,
Ju
and then
q
plus. So q ju q.
q.
Okay.
Okay.
So by using this formula, we have learned the numbers from 11 to 99. Now in our second section, we have learned some more new greeting words. That is, the first one is hello. Hello in Japanese is konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa.
Then goodbye. Goodbye. Goodbye is sayonara.
Sayonara.
Then thank you. Thank you is arigato gozaimasu.
Arigato gozaimasu.
Yes. Then we have learned how to say how are you. How are you in Japanese is called o genki desu ka?
O genki desu ka?
Okay. Then we learn how to reply the how are you. That is I am fine. So I am fine in Japanese is called genki desu.
Genki desu. Okay.
Okay. So
Okay.
this is what we have learned in our first two sections. Now the third section is for certification. How we will get the certification in our Japanese language. The test by which we get the certification is known as JLPT. That is Japanese Language Proficiency Test. Okay. So for
Okay.
this test, we don't have to go anywhere to enroll. We just have to register online on JLPT site. Then the whatever will be the nearest center for the JLPT near to you, you have to go there and then just give the exam. So we have 5 levels for JLPT, that is from N5 to N1, N5, N4, N3, N2, and then N1.
N1.
N5 is the basic level, and N1 is the advanced level.
Advanced level. Okay. Okay. थैंक यू सो मच प्रिया, थैंक यू सो मच। आज का सेशन बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग था और हमने बहुत नंबर्स सीखे 1 से लेके 99 तक। उसके बाद ग्रीटिंग्स हमने किया है और हमने सर्टिफिकेशन किस तरह से होती है, कौन कौन सी सर्टिफिकेशन है जापानीज लैंग्वेज के, बाद में स्कोप क्या है जापानीज लैंग्वेज के। इतनी इम्पोर्टेंट इंफॉर्मेशन के लिए मैं आपका धन्यवाद करती हूँ प्रिया। सो हम लोग एक नेक्स्ट सेशन में एक नए इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक के साथ में जरूर वापस आएंगे। अगर व्यूवर्स आपको कोई भी क्वेश्चन पूछना है जापानीज लैंग्वेज के रिगार्डिंग और आप प्रिया मैम से पूछना चाहते हो कोई सवाल, तो आप मुझे मैसेज कर सकते हो, मुझे कॉल कर सकते हो। मेरा कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर है 9805371026। मैं रिपीट कर रही हूँ 9805371026। मेरा नाम है रुचिका। आप मुझे किसी भी टाइम मैसेज कर सकते हो, फोन कॉल कर सकते हो। कोई क्वेरी है, कोई डाउट है, आप मुझे इस नंबर पे कांटेक्ट कर सकते हो। थैंक यू सो मच प्रिया।
थैंक यू।
ओके मैम, थैंक यू सो मच। बाय।